Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm Abhijit and today in this video I will explain you how to create opportunities by stage report in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, opportunity by stage report allows users to track and analyze opportunities based on their current stage in the sales pipeline. So basically the opportunities by stage report displays the record of different stages of opportunities and also shows the distribution of opportunities at different stages of the sales process. And this opportunity by stage report is used to monitor and analyze the progress of deals in the organization. So it is possible to create opportunities by stage report in the both versions of Salesforce, that is Lightning and Classic as well. So first we are going to discuss the process of creating opportunities by stage report in Salesforce Lightning. So let's move ahead and see the process. So right now I am on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, and here we have to click on this app launcher to navigate to the sales application, and in the search box search for the sales, and from the options in the drop down select sales under the heading applications. And now in the sales application click on this reports tab, and in the reports window you can see the list of reports we have created earlier. And now to create opportunities by stage report, click on this new report button, and in this step we have to select the category for the report. So we are creating the opportunities by stage report with the opportunities data, so we will select category as opportunities, and in this report type column also we will again select opportunities. And after selecting category and report type, click on this start report button, which is under the details section. As we click on the start report, we can see the report table is generated, but here we need to apply filters to make it opportunities by stage report. So click on this filters tab, and in the show me field select all opportunities, because sometimes by default it shows my opportunities. So select all opportunities and click on done button, and in the close date select the range for the records you have to display in your report. So I am selecting range as a current financial year, and then click on this apply button. So now you can see after applying filters we can see these records are generated. And now after applying filters, go to this outline tab, and in the group rows section search for the stage, and from the options select this stage option, and by this we have added stage as a group row. And now we do not need this rest of the detail section, so I will deactivate this slider button of detail rows. So now you can see this report table is showing the different stages of opportunities with the record count on the other side. So now to see all the records we need to save and run this report, and for that click on the save and run button. And now in this step we will enter the details to save this report. So I have named this report as opportunity stage. So I have named the report name as opportunity stages, and when we click on this report unique name field, it will autofill according to the report name we have entered. And in the folder field, select the folder public report so that this field is visible to all the users. And now click on the save button. And after running the report in the next window, we can see all the records with the different stages of the opportunities. So this is how we create opportunity by stage report in Salesforce Lightning. So now we will move ahead and see the same process in Salesforce Classic. So right now I am in this Classic edition of the Salesforce, and here on the homepage of Salesforce Classic, click on this Reports tab, and in the Reports and Dashboards window, click on this New Report button. And in this step you can see this report type column. Here select this opportunity report type and click on this create button. So we can see this report table is generated, but here we need to apply filters to show record in our report table. So I'm selecting range as a current financial year and opportunity status as any to include all opportunities. And in the show field, make sure you have selected all opportunities. Sometimes it's by default select my opportunities. So after applying this filter, we can see this records are being generated for the opportunities by stage report. So now to add a group row, we need to change the table format, and for that click on this tabular format drop down, and from the options select this summary format. So after changing the table format to summary format, go to the left hand sidebar, and from here drag this stage object to add it as a group row and drop it in the region where it is written the message. Drop a file here to create a grouping. So now we have added this stage field as a group row, and we do not need rest of these detail rows. So I will click on this show drop down and uncheck this details option, and now you can see this report is only showing the opportunity stages record. And now we will save this report, and for that click on the save button, and in this window enter the details to save this report. I have entered the report name as a opportunity stage, and after adding the report name it will autofill this report unique name field, and in the report folder select unify public report so that this report is visible to all the users. And now click on this save and run report button. As we click on the save and run report button, the report will be saved and it will run in the next window. And now here we can see the report is displaying the records of opportunities by stage records. So this is how we create opportunity by stage report in Salesforce Classic. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.